Alright, so tonight we're in the front and back of the Ford Falcon wagon, fixing up a big oversight by me. I put these new, well not new, but the other high-end velour seats in my wagon. I never had these in this model. And one thing, the seats are the same, they bolt in, no issues, just a bit more bolstered. The lumbar clicky thing, it's a bit nicer, got the sheepskin headrest on them. Pretty cool. One thing that's majorly different is seatbelt receivers. Really glad I didn't throw the old seats out. These ones take the square tongued seatbelt. What they don't take is the AA seatbelt. So we're going to rectify that now. What we've got is a nice big bolt down here. Pull that out, swap them over. About 5 minutes later, 19mm ring spanner, 19mm offset ring spanner. We're all done up. 2 seatbelt tops changed. Quick, easy job. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you've got as a project car, especially if it's Falcon. If it's a Ford of any description, actually. I love my Fords. Let me know what you've got. Thanks for watching. See ya.